Hello everyone. So for this assignment, we are comparing and contrasting two groups or teams. The ones I'm going to pick for this discussion specifically are going to be the cross-country team here at DBU that I'm a part of, and the group I'm going to pick is going to be the student leadership team at the college ministry I'm involved in. It's going to be at Watermark Church. So I would say one thing that makes them similar is that both teams are deeply rooted in our connection with each other because of how much time we spend with each other. So, for the Watermark group, the student leadership team meeting, we all recently just went to Indonesia together. So, we just spent a long time with each other 10 consistent days. And that obviously bonded us together. And I would say that we're also very bonded together on the cross country team. And that is over a longer, extended period of time, but maybe not for 10 days consistently. So we get up, go to practice together at 6 a.m. or before 6 a.m. every single day, and we see each other at our absolute worst. So I think both groups have a lot of bonded and shared experience. I would say that they're also similar in the fact that each group and the team are deeply rooted in our faith with Christ. So obviously here at DBU, we are praying before all of our meets and we're doing Bible studies together. And the same is true with my college ministry. So in both groups, we always try to open up a practice meeting, whatever that may be, with prayer so that we know we're starting all of our time together with Christ. I would say a difference between the groups obviously it's just going to be the size. So for the college leadership team, there are 10 to 15 of us, which is a decent group, but we obviously get to know each other a lot better. There's a lot more one-on-one connections. But on the cross country team, there are about 40 people between the men's and women's teams. So while we are close, there's no way that everybody can get to know each other on such a deep level just because of how many people there are. I would say that the cross country team can be a little bit harder to always get on the same page, even though I think relatively we seem to be on the same page a lot of time. But for things outside of running or competing, such as going out to eat somewhere, some kind of hangout, it's harder to get everyone on the same page just because of the size. So I think there's more disagreements there. But I would say with the leadership team meeting at Watermark, we seem to get on the same page a lot quicker just because there's a lot fewer of us. So I would say those are some of the main differences and similarities between the groups.